Hey there. So the last time we left off, I was running down the list of necessities, or rather just observations from the inspection on the 99 GSR. So the time has come. There's Tate behind me working on a Civic. The time has come to pick this thing up. I ended up sort of cherry picking some of the main and most important things I wanted done off the list. And we're gonna leave a good number of those items for a future visit, or maybe not address them at all. I mostly just wanted to get this thing to where it's mechanically sound from a day-to-day drivability perspective, because it did die on me a handful of times at stoplights before now. So let's go see what was done, and then we'll take it home. We are back on the road here, and still trying to mask some former smoker scent in here with new car scent, which is doing the best that it can, but the whole interior just needs extraction. Let's fire it up and see how it runs, and then I'll tell you a little bit about what we did on this thing. Okay. Turn it off so I can hear you. Little vibration still. I know we have some motor mount challenges going on, but let me grab the list real quick. So first and foremost, this car was running pretty rich. It had an issue where it would stumble and die at stoplights sometimes. That ended up being a valve adjustment. They were too tightly adjusted, I guess is what they described. So that was taken care of, as well as a valve cover gasket at the same time. We did replace a cam plug along with that, resealed the VTEC spool valve, replaced rear hatch struts. That's actually still pending because we didn't get parts yet. And steam cleaned the bottom of the engine, just because what we're gonna try and do is keep an eye out for any leaks that manifest themselves in the coming weeks and months, just so we can kind of narrow them down a little bit better. And other than that, it was a pretty clean bill of health. As I mentioned in the prior inspection notes, there were some discoveries about some former body work being done, especially on the left rear quarter, as well as just kind of more cosmetic and, you know, nuisances like the antenna mast not working and the driver's side window not going down. So some of those items will wait definitely for a future visit. At this point, I'm just going to drive it home. I have a road rally planned with a few friends coming up in March, so this is going to get a few hundred miles put on it for that. One of my favorite things about this car is, oh, that needs some grease, the moonroof, how it goes out over the top of the roof. Happy to report that she runs much better. This is what this car is supposed to feel like. Next update for the GSR is I'm having a little task done with the tires here. This car came with a really weird spline drive lug nut, and I picked up a set of OEM lugs, so those will be swapped out now. See, these have this weird shape and I didn't get a key for it, so off they go. As well as the back ones have outside mounted wheel weights, which I dislike, so we're going to re-weight those with the weights on the inside and cross one more thing off the list here. All set. Now I'm running to a quick bank errand and home. Yep, I got replacement stickers. The driver door jamb of the Integra doesn't have any because the left rear quarter panel has been replaced. So I got replacements. Time for a special install project here. So obviously the driver's side door jamb on this Integra is void of any stickers. It should have 5 stickers in here. And I got replacements in the mail this week, so we're gonna go ahead and clean this up a little bit, prep it, and then install those stickers. Okay, we're all set here. Unfortunately, I have to use my phone, a picture that I took of a friend's car as a guide, so I can't record this piece with me actually taping these on here, but I promise I'll do my best to get the measurement right. There we go. I am thrilled with that. Just one little detail that was missing. Nice to finally have it put back together. Bring her on in. Oh, the window's broken. Welcome to my world of ratchet cars. Just pull it right behind the coupe.